Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, and we're going to learn about how to connect to Power Apps, because I wanted to use Power Automate, and you need to sign up for that. So you go to this page, powerapps.microsoft.com, and you just put buy now, and then you click buy now here, and it's going to ask you for the email address. I've already got the email address. Let's see if I can get it from there. There you go. Press next, create a new account. I'm going to fill in all the details now. Click next. It's going to ask you for obviously a call or text message for verification. I'm going to say verification message. You put the details there. I'm going to obviously not show you that, and I'll verify and go to the next screen. So that's the next screen. It shows obviously your username and domain name, whichever you want to choose, or you can put different name there. You can do 101, let's say, for example, and you put your password there. I'm going to put the password now. There we go. Press next. It says create an account, please do not refresh. So the next step is that you can go to the obviously Power Apps and the web page where you actually log in, and you put the details which we use as an email and the password. So you don't, if you want to go to pay, or if you want to buy a subscription, you can do that, but your account's created, so you can access this page now. You can see we are logged in into Power Apps. So if you go here, you will see Power Apps. All the apps are there. I wanted to use Power Automate in Business Central, so that's why I was registering for this. Get started. There we go. So why we're using Power Automate? Obviously it's a different process. You're going to automate anything. So for example, I'm in a Business Central in workflows. So let's say I'm in this workflow, and if you say I want to use Power Automate, so you go there. Normally when you click it there, it doesn't do nothing if you're not registered with that. So when you create Automate Flow, it's going to do show you some flows. Here we go. It's creating now. There you go. So you can create a new flow. You got different options here as well. Notify on Teams when a purchase receipt is posted. Notify on Teams when customer is unblocked in Business Central. You can create a new one from here. Right. So this is where you create your new workflows, and obviously then start working from there. So it was just, this video was only for the purpose of making a trial version of Power Apps, so you can use different apps in Power Automate, and we'll learn later on how to use these apps in different obviously areas of these apps. We have already used Admin Center obviously in Business Central, and we're using Business Central. So with the time being, we'll learn these two and jump on that as well in between if we need it, and if you don't need it, then we'll carry on using the structure of MB800, and we'll learn about that. And thank you for watching my video.